I don't know, man. That thing looks pretty big. Whoa, look at that thing, dude. First fish.
Finally.
Yeah, dude. Lip that guy. Let's see it. Squeeze it real hard. Like, just pinch his lip. Yep. If you need these here. Oh, you got it. Yeah, buddy.
Yes.
Nice. Sick.
That's fire.
Yes. On the drop shot.
It's really barely on his. It's barely in his lip.
It's a good day today. What is that, number 20 today?
Yeah. I think it's number 16 of the day.
Fire.
Maybe a quick picture.
Just grab him by the... Grab him by the corner of his mouth. On the corner of his mouth. On the other side. Where's the hook at? Oh. Oh yeah, opposite side. Yeah. Bottom lip. Chew. Just grab it. I'll get you.
Literally just like my lines start to dip out.
Fatty.
Oh. It's actually might be one of my biggest.
Yowzers, what the?
Yo, that's a big one.
Geeker.
Wow. And does he seriously have? Does he seriously have your hook? Do you see this? He's got your hook in here.
Ah, that motherfucker ate my shit.
Where's my?
I got some right there too.
I don't know what I just did from there. Oh, they're right here. What the heck? This dude has.
That's my freaking drop shot that I got stuck.
I got your drop shot out of it.
And my worm too? Or is that your worm?
On there. Okay, grab it. So it's not. Look at that. It's got your drop shot and your worm on there. Dude, this is. Look at it. It's decent. See how fat this fish
It's
is compared
fat.
to its head compared to that other fish?
Uh-huh.
The other one's, this has got a bigger body than other fish, and the head's way smaller.